Let's unbox this carbon fiber diffuser for the W204 C63 AMG. It's 2012. We got this one. This is the carbon fiber spoiler. It's an original one. That's gonna go on the C63 in a couple of days, maybe week or so, once we are done the transmission repair. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna open up this diffuser. It's in here. I'm super excited. Let's see the quality that's in here. Okay guys, so comes with these brackets that sit behind the bumper. Well, kind of like this. They sit behind the bumper because this thing, no, like this, yes. So a little screw goes through there, up into the frame. Got one, two, there's a second one. Most important part is let's unwrap this. Ooh, I see a little bit of carbon fiber. Let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, this thing looks like a zebra. It's kind of funny. The print is a little bit interesting. Maybe it's just the color from the light. But this thing, you know what? It's actually not too horrible. It looks like literally perfect. The weave is just a little bit strange. I wouldn't say it's like real carbon fiber, but it's like kind of, I don't know. Well, I don't even want to show you guys the inside. But hey, for like $100? Oh, yeah, buddy. That's what we're talking about. You know what? It's fine. It comes with all the clips. So these all go into the bumper, which is great. That all clips in. Then this piece, well, no, sorry, not that piece, but this piece right here, this clips in like that. Something like that. Yeah, clips in like that. So that sits like this. You know what? This is actually not too bad. This goes into the bottom. And yeah, comes with all the clips. So this is actually not too bad. We'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, cool. All right. Carbon fiber diffuser. Oh, it's got a little thing there. I don't know if that's damage or just kind of a defection. I don't know, who cares? Honestly, once this thing gets dirty, it's gonna darken up and it'll kind of look like that. And even then, when it sits on the bottom of the car, it's gonna sit like this, so you'll still see the carbon fiber. It's gonna look a little different, but hey, instead of $1,000 for $100, we'll take it. So yeah, looking forward to installing both of these. Wait, there it is. Chinesium carbon fiber on the C63 AMG. We're gonna fix the transmission and then we'll get this installed and this installed on the car. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.